One Piece is filled with many characters, but only a handful of One Piece characters are strong enough to damage Kaido, the king of beasts. Kaido is one of the four emperors of the sea in One Piece world, and the man known to be the strongest creature on the land, air, and the sea. As the strongest in the world, Kaido boasts an incredibly high level of power and durability. Although this feat belongs to just one man at one time. Recent revelation in the story has made it possible for several others to wound the indestructible Kaido. So in this video we are going over top 8 characters which are high likely possible to wound Kaido. So without any further ado, let's start with our video. On the 8th number, it's our boy Luffy. Luffy is one of the prime candidates to defeat Kaido in the land of Wano, and to do this, he has trained his Haki to be quite a high degree. Although he wasn't able to wound Kaido during their first fight, Luffy has now managed to learn Ryo, which he believes can penetrate Kaido's skin. Luffy has also improved the grade of his Ryo, and he can now do internal damage without even penetrating the skin of the target. Luffy will inevitably wound Kaido when the two clash once again. On the 7th number, the character is Rayleigh, the former right-hand man of the king of the pirates. Rayleigh is the highly skilled Haki user. When teaching Luffy how to use Haki, he demonstrated the powers to use Ryo, which is what Luffy believes can hurt Kaido. Furthermore, Rayleigh is the only person at the moment who knows how to use advanced armament Haki that can destroy the target from within. Like Luffy, he can wound Kaido if two ever fights. On the 6th number, the character is Izo. Izo is the former 16th Division commander of the Whitebeard Pirates. Before joining Whitebeard's crew, he was one of the retainers of Kozuki Oden and learned the art of samurai from him. Although Izo's exact level of strength was rather hard to gauge during the recent event of the story, he was seen disarming King, one of the Kaido's strongest subordinates, without much trouble at all. Later on, Izo, along with the Red Scabbards, inflicted wounds on Kaido and even made him bleed with their Ryo. On the 5th number, it is not a singular character but they are a group, the 9 Scabbards, the samurai of the Kozuki Oden, also known as the 9 Red Scabbards, the extremely powerful figures from the land of Wano. From most of the time, the Scabbards hide their strength and only revealed how strong they truly were during the Onigashima raid. Every single member of the group, minus Kanjuro, proved to be capable of hurting Yonko Kaido and piercing his thick hide with their Ryo. According to Kaido, this 8 samurai possesses the same Ryo as the Kozuki Oden himself. On the 4th number, the character is Big Mom, one of the Yonko of the sea, just like Kaido himself. Big Mom is an extremely powerful woman who has an incredible might up her sleeve. She is known to be woman just as strong as Kaido, as was seen when she fought Kaido for 12 hours without even using Zeus and Prometheus, and still managed to hold him to draw. During the fight, both of them gave each other minor bruises as evidence from their faces. Big Mom is certainly one of the very few people who can hurt Kaido and even defeat him in battle. On the 3rd number, the character is Kozuki Oden. Kozuki Oden was a daimyo of Wano country's Kuri region and the rightful successor to the Sukiyaki for the title of Shogun of the land. He was also a former member of the Whitebeard Pirates and the Roger Pirates, which just goes to show how impressive a man he truly was. Oden was tremendously skilled as a fighter and he wielded 2 of the 20-0 Wazamono Great Swords in Ame no Hakibari and Enma. His Ryo was incredibly strong, as seen when he was able to completely overwhelm Kaido in battle and even give him a deadly wound. At that time, Oden was more than capable of killing Kaido. On the 2nd number, the character is the captain of the Roger Pirates and the man who went on to become the Pirate of the King, Goldie Roger. He was one of the most powerful pirates in the world, with Whitebeard being his only equal. Roger was known to be skilled in the usage of Haki, and a year after the Battle of Edward, Roger was seen using the level of Haki that no character in the series has displayed so far, other than his rival Whitebeard. If advanced Ryo can hurt Kaido, then wounding him wouldn't have been too much trouble for the Pirate King, and actually they have already fought when he was alive. On the 1st number, the character is Whitebeard. Known as the strongest man in the world, Whitebeard was one of the 4 emperors of the sea before his death, and he was also one ruler of the sea during Roger's age. As one of the strongest, Whitebeard had the power of Gura Gura no Mi, which allowed him to create quakes at his will. He also had immense mastery of all types of Haki, and also during his clash with Roger, he was seen using a very advanced level of Ryo that was equal as powerful as the Roger himself. Undoubtedly, Whitebeard could have wounded Kaido if two fought, and he might be even able to defeat Kaido too. So yeah, that was the video guys. These were the 8 characters who are most likely to wound Kaido, who is the strongest creature in the world and who has the most hardest skin in the One Piece world so far. So yeah, that was the video guys. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10, top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.